Okay, this is the boom and crash strategy that I'll be working on. Um, so as we're learning that other strategy, you can use this one to trade and earn. So this strategy is 60% to 70-80% accurate. Actually, there are no 100% accurate strategy. We can only have 90%, meaning that sometimes that the strategy will flop. Yes, there will surely be a flop. But despite that, the fact that it will flop, there will surely be a win-win rate ratio. So sorry about that. So this strategy will give us accuracy. Like when you follow the instructions I give to you now, or you follow the rules and everything, you are sure that you can't lose a trade. And even if you lose a trade, you recover it back. You will surely recover it back. Now, the first thing you do is, now let me zoom out. Let me zoom out first. Let me zoom out. Okay. The first thing you do is you go to your 1 hour time frame and you check the trend. You have to follow the trend. So whatever is happening to the trend, that's what you trade with. You trade according to the trend. Now currently now the market is what? Buying. How do I know? Like this is our Ichimoku line. Okay, let me show you our indicators again. You go to your settings. This is our indicator. So you see the this part here. Sorry, this part here, you use the black, then this other part here, you use the background color of your screen, your background color. So my background color of my app, my trading app is white. So this is the only one I need. This is the only app, this is the only one I need. So I just use black. The rest use white for all, then done. Then the next one is your RSI. These are the settings, then these are the period. Then same thing, you can use MACD 12. Now the MACD, the signal line, use the background color 0. So what the only thing we need is the main line and the main, I mean, so we use black also. Then we go back, moving average period 2, then another moving average exponential period 5. That's all. So the first thing you do is you go to your 1 hour, you check the direction of the market. Now the Ichimoku, I'm using the Ichimoku to check the direction of the trend. I'm using the Ichimoku to check the direction of the trend. Now whenever the candle breaks above the Ichimoku like this, it's an uptrend market. Uptrend. If the candle breaks below, it's a downtrend. It's a downtrend market. Despite the fact that now if you look, the candle are above, but there's a bearish candle. There's a bearish candle. This candle here is a bearish candle, but the direction of the market right now is an uptrend market. The direction of the market right now is an uptrend market. What do you have to do? The next thing you do is you go to your 15 minutes and check. Now, if you look, the candle breaks above this line, the Ichimoku. You are in an uptrend market. So look at it. The candle has been above the Ichimoku line, so it's an uptrend market. Now, the moment the candle breaks below this side, is a downtrend market. Downtrend market. The downtrend market. Then the next thing you do now, you go to your 5 minutes and check the movement of the candle again. If you look at, see, it's an uptrend market again. Yeah, see the candle are above the Chimoku line, an uptrend market. Now around this region here, the candle breaks below, candle breaks, the candle breaks below downtrend, the downtrend market. So you have to look at the trend first before you take any trade. Now do not forget the higher time frame controls the lower time frame. So now that we are in an uptrend market, if I go to my 1 minute, the market will be spiking anyhow. because why? We're in an uptrend market. The market will be spiking anyhow. The market will be, but despite the fact that the market will be spiking when we're in an uptrend market, I'll still show you how to catch 5 candles successfully. Now, when the candle is, when the market is now in a strong downtrend, we can catch 10 candles. But you know, indicators are not reliable and they are not 100% accurate. So I we advise, even if you are in a downtrend market, strong downtrend market, just pick 5 candles and leave the market like that. Then when you see another setup, you pick another 5 candles. Now, so that's that for that. So since we're in an uptrend market, the market will be spiking. Will be spiking. Make sure before you take any trade, you have to confirm. You have to confirm the trend of the market at all time. Now, I want to take a trade. I want to take a trade. You have to zoom in completely first. Then you zoom out once. You zoom out just once. Once. Come here. You zoom out once like this. So these are your this thing will look like. Now I want to take a trade. I want to sell. What do I do? Now, for me to take a trade, this line here, this part here, the yellow must cross below the green around the 80, around the 85 and 95 region. So it must be around that 90 region, 85 region for me to take. So once that one happens, once I see that setup, I will just pick only 5 candles. So once I take the trade, I can now zoom out completely and see my candles. Just take 5 candles and leave the market. All this movement of the candle does not concern you. The remaining ones does not concern you. So if the market sell, blah blah blah, it does not concern you. When you see another setup again, you take it. So what do you do again? You zoom in completely. Do not forget, you have to zoom in. You zoom in completely, then you zoom in completely, then you zoom out just once. Zoom out just once. Now this MACD now. Sorry, this MACD. These are MACD line. These are moving average. These are moving average. So now this MACD line now. Now once the MACD line, like, okay, now once, if you see that the MACD line, like here now, if you see that, like this place now, if you see that the MACD line and the moving average yellow cross below the green around that 80-90 region, you can also take a trade. So most times, there are sometimes that the MACD line will not get to that, level. It will not get to that level. But if you see the yellow and the green crosses around that 90 region, you take a sell trade. You pick 5 candles. You just pick 5 candles. You pick 5 candles. So after that, okay, you pick 5 candles. Do not forget, you must always check the trend of the market. Now look at this place now. Look at this place now. The MACD was not up to that side, but this thing, the yellow and the green line are around 18-19 region. And what happened? Checked. Look at how many. Look at how it sold. Look at how it sold. It sold for, look at it. So you pick 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now there's another strategy in it. Whereby you wait for the candle to break below the Ichimoku, but I'm not using that one. So that's why I'm not teaching you guys that one. I'm not using that one because I want something that I can pick the candle and is more reliable. This one I've tested it that is more reliable. So, and that's that for that. Now let's say I want to catch a spike. Now, since we are in an uptrend market, if you go to your 1 hour, you notice that we're in an uptrend market, so it is easier to catch a spike. So if you want to catch a spike, you go to your 1 minute, you check the direction of the market first. 1 hour uptrend, 15 minutes uptrend, 5 minutes uptrend. So what do we do? The same entry. You make sure that once the yellow and the green line approaches this 10-15 region, you take a buy. Once you take a buy, it will spike. Once the thing spike, you close the market. you wait again for another one. So once the green or the once the green and the yellow line with the MACD line around the start approaching the 15, once is already getting to the 15 region, 15 before it gets to the 10, because no matter how it gets to this level 10, no matter how it gets to this level 10, it will surely spike. So once you get to this 15 region, from this 20 from this 20 region, no, so from the 20 region it approaches the 15 region. So you see that the line is already approaching the 15 region, just enter a buy market. Buy market, then it will spike. Once it spike, you just close. Now before you take a spike, before you catch a spike, you must make sure that the market is an uptrend. Like now, this market is an uptrend market. This market is in an uptrend market, so it is easier to catch a spike. So if the market is in a strong downtrend, now if you look at this region here, you notice that the market is ranging. The market is ranging at that side. So if the market is in a strong downtrend, when you take a set trade, you can pick 10 candles. Like look at this place now. Look at this place now. It's a strong downtrend market. A strong downtrend market.